The viewers, you are welcome once again to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to provide a solution to this indices question on the board. The question says we should evaluate 16 whole number 3 over 4 multiplied by 4 whole number 1 over 2 everything over 8 whole number 5 over 3. This is indices question. So, solution. So if you look at this question, okay, let me bring the question down. 16 whole number 3 over 4 multiplied by 4 whole number 1 over 2 everything over 8 whole number 5 over 3. So if you look at the whole number in this question, we have 16, 4, and 8. Everything is even number. So our target now is to break this number so that all the base will be equal. So what I mean by this, okay, 2 can go into any new number. So let us use 2. So I want to break this 16. I say 2. How many times does 2 go into 16 before we can get 60? I guess 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And 8 times 2 is 16. I have to go into 16 4 times. So I can bracket this, then 3 over 4 to the power of 2 over 4. Then multiply by, this is 4. If I say 2 raised to the power of 2, it will give me 4. So I'll bracket it, then 1 over 2. Then likewise to the denominator, this is 8. 2 raised to the power of 3, it will give me 8. Then bracket it, then 5 over 3. So we have succeeded in making the base equal, which is 2, 2, 2. If 2 raised to the power of 4, it will still give me 16. 2 raised to the power of 2, it will give me 4. And 2 raised to the power of 3, it will give me 8. It's still the same thing. So, divide this. And remember the law of indices that say if a number is raised to the power of a certain number, and the power is again raised to the power of another number, then we can multiply the power together. So what I mean is by this is 2 raised to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 4, and this 4 is raised to the power of another number, which is a 3 over 4. So if a number if a certain number is 2 to the power and the power is again raised to another number, we multiply the power together. So let me show you what I mean. This is 2 to the power of 4. Yes, this 2 to the power of 4. Then I can multiply them together, 3 over 4. Multiply by, this is 2 raised to the power of 2, and this 2 is raised to another power of 1 over 2. Then I'll multiply this together, then over, this is 2 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 5 over 3. So let us went further and simplify this. This is 2 and this the power is 4 multiplied. So I can write the base here, which is 2. Then 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So it's 2 raised to the power of 3. Then multiply by, this is 2 as a base whole number here. Then 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, and 2 divided by 2, it will give me 1. Everything over, which is 2 here, 2. Then 3 multiplied by 5, it will give me 15, and 15 divided by 3, it will give me 5. So we have gradually reduced this fraction. So, and again, I want to show you something. This is multiplication, and if you look at the base here, the base of the numerator, they are equal. Remember the law of indices that say when a base is equal and there's multiplication sign in between them, so we are going to add the power and pick one out of the base because they are equal. So what I mean is this: look at the base is equal, we have 2, then we add the power, which is 3 plus 1. Then 3 plus 1 will give me 4. Will give me 4. Then all over 2 raised to the power of 5. So I can went further to reduce this fraction, which will give me 2 raised to the power of 4 is the same as that 2 multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2 into 4 places all over 2 multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2 into 5 places. So 2 multiplied by 2, it will give me 4. 4 multiplied by 2, it will give me 8. Then 8 multiplied by 2, it will give me 16. All over 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. 16 multiplied by 2, it will give me 32. So I can still word further because two of them they are even. I can even number. I can still word further to break this fraction. So I'll have 16 can go into 32, 1 and 2 times. Then 16 can go into itself 1. So I'll have 1 all over 32 divided by 16. It will give me 2. So the solution to this indices equation, it will give me 1 all over 2. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.